Welcome back to the channel, Modeling Maestro here. We are continuing work on the Hobbyboss A-6A in 1/48 scale. In my last video, we completed much of the construction and now have many of the pieces prepared for painting. In this video, I will focus on painting the fuselage of the A-6A. The model will represent an aircraft aboard the USS Kitty Hawk in the late 60s. I am using the Mr. Hobby Pro Convoy airbrush number 267. You can purchase it at the link here. The underside of the aircraft and flaps were painted Tamiya XF2 white. The flaps were masked with Tamiya tape. My thinning ratio these days is about 70-30, thinner to paint. While sometimes I'll even add more thinner. My compressor stays at about 10 to 12 psi. I am using a 0.013 HP double piston compressor with air tank. Navy aircraft flaps are often painted white to help reduce heat buildup when the aircraft sits on a sun-exposed carrier deck. The light color also makes it easier for maintenance crews to spot hydraulic leaks, corrosion, or structural issues during inspections. FS36440, also known as light gull gray, was mixed with equal parts XF20 medium gray and XF2 white. The radome on the A-6A is the nose section of the aircraft that houses the radar antenna, used for navigation and attack targeting. Unlike the rest of the aircraft, it is made from a special non-metallic composite material that allows radar signals to pass through without interference. Because of this material and its protective coating, the radome often appears tan or slightly different in color from the surrounding paint. To prepare the painting of the radome, I mask it off with Tamiya tape and Tamiya white tape for curves. The area then receives an undercoat of light pink. Pink is a terrific base color for yellows, and allows the yellow in the radome tan to be more present. With a gray undercoat, say from primer, the radome tan would be quite bland and somewhat greenish in color. The mask is removed with the aid of gripped tweezers. The edges of intakes are masked off then sprayed with Tamiya Flat Black XF1. The inside is also masked, while the interior of the intakes is protected by a small chunk of spongy cushion material. Then, the black anti-glare panel in front of the windscreen is masked and painted. The AOA decal set I will be using, Southeast Asia Intruders number 2, does not provide decals for the wing walkways for this particular aircraft. Even if the set did provide these, I wouldn't use it. I always prefer masking these areas off and airbrushing them myself. I used Tamiya tape for curves and carefully researched the position of these walkways. For this color, I think I used XF53 without any extra mixing. Finally, it was time to mask off the exhausts and spray them a NATO black. Unfortunately, I did not get the paint thin enough, and you'll see it splatter. A good reason to mask off all of the surrounding areas. Later, I will apply some graphite to the black paint in these areas to give it a more metallic look. Well, that does it for now. In the next video, I will get the decals on and perhaps even start working on the oil wash. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this content useful, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.